Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to start one new series that will be the question answer series of NCERT, and I am starting with class 11, that is the first chapter, sets, and I am going to explain today exercise 1.1. So coming to the first point, first question basically. See uh, what is telling here, just a minute. Yeah, so here it is telling that the collection of all months of year beginning with the letter J. So with J, we are having 3 months, Jan, June and July. So this is well defined. Those months are well defined. This is a set. Now coming to question number 2, collection of 10 most talented writers of India. This is not a set. Why I am telling? That is, here talented is the adjective, right? So talented means for you some other writers are talented. For me some others. Like if I talk about some authors, that is suppose Sharat Chandra, Bankim Chandra, those are talented for me. But for you that is somewhat like Chetan Bhagat, yeah, Arundhati Roy, like that. Okay. So whenever any adjective will be there, we cannot decide that is a set. So this is not a set. Now question number 3, same reason here, best cricket batsman. So it will vary from man to man, right? Basically person to person it will vary. So best cricketer, cricket batsman, for you some other 11 persons will be the best, for me it will be some other. So this is also not a set. Okay. Now coming to question number 4. The collection of all boys in your class. So this will form a set. See, suppose you are having 60 students in your class. Among those 20 girls, 40 boys or some other number. But this is a well defined. You can count the boys, number of boys. So this will become set. Collection of all natural numbers less than 100. So natural number is starting from 1 and less than 100 it will go till 99. So this is also a set. We can count and this is the well defined. So it's set. Now 6. A collection of novel written by the writer Munshi Premchand. See, this is also a set because here writer is fixed. Munshi Premchand has been written only few novels, countable number. We can calculate, we can count those numbers. So this will become set. The collection of all 11 integers. The collection of all 11 integers. Sorry, of all even integers. Even integers is plus minus 2, plus minus 4, plus minus 6 and so on. So this is also a set. It's a well defined collection of object. Now question number, this was 7. So now question number 8. The collection of questions in this chapter. So chapter 1, there will be the finite number of questions. So this is also a set. We can calculate how many number of questions are there. Next, a collection of most dangerous. Again the same thing I have told. If any adjective is there, we need to decide on basis of adjective. That will not become a set. So this is not a set. I hope it is clear for everyone. This first question is clear to everyone. If you have any doubts, you can mention in the comment section. Now, second, see here, these questions are really important. I am writing the set A, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, here only 5 elements are there, 5 numbers are there, 1 to, sorry, 6 numbers are there, 1 to 6. Now, see this 5 is in set, so that is 5 belongs to, that is 5 belongs to A. So here belongs to 8. 8 is not there. Only 6 elements are there. So 8 does not belong to A. So here it is doesn't belong to 3. 0 is also not there. So here doesn't belong to 4 is there. So 4 belongs to A. Next 5. 2 is also there here. So 2 belongs to A. 10. 10 is not there. So 10 does not belongs to A. Clear? Now coming to question number 3. X is an integer minus, you need to make it in roster form. It is given in builder form. Okay. So here A is equal to, what are the integers? Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. Now X is a natural number less than 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Clear? Because natural number is starting from 1 and it is less than 6. So it is basically 1 less than or equal to x less than 6. Now this one, x is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digit is 8. That means AB natural number A plus B equal to 8. So it can be 1 plus 7, 7 plus 1, 2 plus 6, 6 plus 2, 3 plus 5, 5 plus 3, 4 plus 4. Okay. So here 1 comma 7, 7 comma 1, 2 comma 6, 6 comma 2. We need to write the pairs 3 comma 5, 5 comma 3 and 4 comma 4. Now here x is a prime number which is divisor of 60. So divisors of 60, 30 here, 15, 3 say 5. Okay, so here it is, these all three numbers are prime number. So 2, 3, 5. Clear? Next is 5. The set of all letters in the word trigonometry. So what are the letters are there? T, R, I, G, O, N, M, E, Y. C, T, R, I, G, O, N, M, Y. Okay. Now 6. Same thing like 5th one B, E, T, R. Okay. ठीक है. ठीक है. Now we'll move to question number 4. Okay, see here. Write the following sets in the set builder form. This is 3, 6, 9, 12. That means multiple of 3. So we can write a x such that x equal to 3n where 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 4. Right. See, if we put n equal to 1, this will become 3. For n equal to 2, this will be 6. For n equal to 3, it's 9. For n equal to 4, it's 12. Okay. Now this, it is moving like 2, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 5. Right. So we can write x such that x is equal to 2 power n 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 5. Now 3, this is same 5, 5 square, 5 cube, 5 power 4. So here x such that x equal to 5 power n 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 4. Next this is 2, 4, 6 and so on. So these are the even natural numbers. So we can write x such that x is even natural numbers. Next 5, that is 1, 2 square, 3 square and so on 10 square. So here x such that x equal to n square where 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 10. Clear? I hope it's clear to everyone. because we need to see the set whatever is given, then we need to find which form it is, then we have to make it in roster to builder and builder to roster. Okay, clear? Next is question number 5. Here it's telling the list of all the elements. List of all the elements of set. Which should I use this one? List of all the elements. So first one is A, that is x is an odd natural number. So this is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. Clear? Here see minus 1 by 2, that is minus 0.5 less than 4, x less than 4.5. So if we draw here it is 0, here minus 1. So here minus 0.5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and here 5. So this is 4.5. Right? So here it will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Clear? In between minus 1 by 2 to 9 by 2, how many integers are there? You need to write down those integers. Clear? Now here x is an integer, x square less than or equal to 4. Okay. So x equal to 0, x equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 2. Okay. X equal to 1, x equal to 2. So we can write it down in this way. X not equal to minus 3 here because minus 3 square is 9. 9 does not less than or equal to 4. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Clear? Now 4. Here it is X is a letter in the word loyal. So here that means D is equal to L-O-Y-A. Okay. Now 5, that is X is a month of a year not having 31 days. So we are having 31 days. Means we will write all the months. Jan 31, Feb 28 or 29, March 31, April 30, May 31, June 30, July 31, August 31, September 30, October 31, November 30, December 31. So those are 31 we need to deduct. So it will not come. It won't come. Here also it won't come. This will not come. This and this. So what are the sets? Then here we can write Feb, April, June, September, November. Clear? Now the sixth one, X is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes K, means less than K, before K. So which precedes K means before K. So we'll write all the things A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So here this is vowel, this is vowel, this is vowel. So F equal to B, C, D, F, G, H, J. Clear? Check. We will see the last question for today. Okay. So here what is telling that we need to match both the sides, we need to match. So we will start first right hand side, we will calculate these values. So here A equal to, I am giving this as A, name C and D. Okay, A is, X is a prime number and divisor of 6. X is a prime number. Here X is a natural number. Prime number means only the prime will come, that is 2 and 3. Divisors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. But these are two at the prime. Next B, that is equal to x is odd natural number less than 10. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Next C is, here it will come this. So 1, 2, 3, 6. Now the D is mathematics, that is N, A, T, H, E, I, C, S. Clear? Now see, A is matching with 2. B is matching with B. This is matching with 4. C is mapping or matching, anything you can say. C is matching with 1 and D is matching with 3. Clear? So these were the very basic things for the set theory. I hope this thing clear to everyone. Okay, so if you have any doubt or any kind of suggestions, like you need some other book solutions, you can mention over the comment sections. I will definitely reply on that and I will try to make the videos. Okay, but right now I am making this only for NCERT, as many people has been requested me to make the videos on NCERT exercises. So that's what I have started this series. I will continue this series. I'll make videos, and meanwhile I'm having the live sessions on daily basis except Tuesday for 12th revision batch, 12 2022 batch and JE batch. Don't forget to watch and don't forget to join live sessions. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot for watching this video.